after a nice espresso and croissant de chocolate in my favorite coffee shop. Let's go together and check out what is happening at St. James Church. Monday morning, life starts slowly here in Medjugorje, as you can see. Oh, it's already warm again, I feel the sun. So when you come here, be careful with the sun, it's really strong here. Even people from Spain said, wow, this is amazing how strong the sun here is. When you're straight in the sun. And let's check together what's going on. Make a little tour. See here, tour bus. So much to do here in Medjugorje. There are the famous waterfalls around. There's Sumanci, that's where the Divine Mercy Chapel is. Then there is Tichalina, where this famous statue is, who looks like Our Lady, like the visionaries. They say she looks exactly like that statue. That's not exactly, but close to that. There's a lot to discover around Medjugorje as well. You are 55 minutes from the Adriatic Sea away. And here is Our Lady. Isn't she beautiful? Let's get closer. There she is. There's Our Lady. And let's go on here. There is the church. You see, 9 o'clock there is the German Mass going on at 9. At 10 you have the English Mass during the week. And 11 o'clock Italian, 12 o'clock French Mass. Let's keep on going. You see, the sanctuary is very, very well kept. You see, the workers are cleaning. On both sides there's water for free because it's so hot. You see, here is water. Then you have water on this side as well. There's water. There's the church, St. James Church. And let's look together a bit in town. I'd like to show you, let's go to where the plaza is of the new museum, which is over there. You have the Museum of Medjugorje. It's a very nicely arranged museum, which is over there. This is on this side here. You see there, tourists looking. And again, I say to the people who write me, oh, it's all about commerce. These shops wouldn't exist if there wouldn't be a demand for it. You can see people buy. They want to buy statues. They want to take something home from Medjugorje. And it's blessed by priests here. And nothing wrong with that. People have to live. And there's a demand for it. And I told these people, come to Medjugorje. Mostly they haven't been in Medjugorje. And then they haven't experienced, come and experience for yourself. It's not about this. This is only a fact of Our Lady here. So you want to take something home, a rosary or something. And here we go. That is the plaza of the new museum, which is on this side. And I leave you with this beautiful view on the museum and on this fountain. Isn't it beautiful?